All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Keita Turner. I own a company called Tao Consulting Services. I'll put information about that in the video later. But I do want to bring up something. I've been teaching math for about 30 years. In fact, when I was in college, I used to teach the engineers mathematics. But I found something interesting the other day. Uh, my son is in the sixth grade, and he wanted me to explain to him the quadratic formula. Now, what I did with the quadratic formula, I said, I don't think you want to learn that. It's kind of difficult. He said, but I do. I said, I don't think so. You don't have to learn that for at least eighth grade. I think I taught it in eighth grade a few times. What ended up happening was I had to explain to him what a quadratic formula was. After I explained what a quadratic formula was, I had to explain to him how to write a quadratic formula in standard form with A, B, and C. And then I had to let him know how to make the quadratic formula, and he'll be here in a second to let you know what he knows. I just want to say this. Out of all the years that I've taught the quadratic formula, he learned it in about an hour. I don't know how, was that me or was that him? I'm not really sure. I don't think I learned it in an hour, and I learned it when I was younger. So anyway, without any further ado, I'm gonna put up the sign. I'm gonna let my son come behind me, get his marker, and he's gonna recite it, and then he's going to do a problem. All right, I'm off the mic. I mean, from the thing. No, use this color right here. It's darker. All right, go ahead.
Uh,
Oh, as you can see, he's a little nervous. I don't know why, but okay.
yeah.
The middle's behind, right there. The middle's behind the chair. Right there, it's fine. Okay. Uh, Tarka, what is the quadratic formula?
X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2, right?
Very good. Now, I've taught that probably 30 years. I never had anyone get it in an hour like he did. I don't know whether I have a new formula or whether it's him, but he's only 11. And it just started sixth grade. So that was a long, well, I thought it should have been long, but it wasn't. So right now I'm going to give him a problem to do. I'll write it on the board. All right, give me the marker, Tark. All right. So we'll do something easy like x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. So he's going to use a quadratic formula. Back in camera. He's going to use a quadratic formula to figure this out. Okay, go ahead, Tark. Now, I told him I wanted him to explain it, but he doesn't want to, so it doesn't really matter. I said that's not that big of a deal. Maybe there should not be any dead noise in this, but that don't matter. It does sound kind of dead, no noise. Anyway, I represent a company called Tile Consulting Services. We do tutoring, math, educational consulting, math test prep, and we actually offer math classes. If you want to take a certain math class, we offer that too. So he is doing the problem now. I may do something more difficult, but we'll see. I guess the phone number to the company is 313-924-177. You can call and leave a message. All right. You forgot the negative. Okay. All right, well, anyway, another more dead air. But what I've noticed is that it took an hour, and we did all this in an hour. So he has x equals -2 and x equals -4. So I'm gonna do the check to make sure he's right. I don't know if he's right or not. We'll find out. Okay, do you think you're right? Okay, he doesn't want to talk, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna do the check. All right here. So he says x has to equal, you wanna be in camera? No, okay, back. X equals -2 or -4, so let's put it in. So it should equal 0. So let's put in -2 squared plus, oh, you might not be able to see that. I don't think the camera goes that high.
It does.
It goes that high? Okay, good. Then 6 times -2 plus 8 should equal 0. So this is 4 minus 12 plus 8 equals 0, and that's right. So this is right. -2 is correct. Now let's try -4. Now he's probably wrong on that though. He's wrong a lot, so we'll see. All right, so -4. -4 squared, -4. So we got 16 plus 24. I'm sorry, minus 24 plus 8. Right there, that does equal 0. He's right. So, quadratic formula, 6th grade, 1 hour. Thank you very much. All right, you can pause it.